Please subscribe, click in channel, click
Hi,
and
friends.
share. Hi friends, please subscribe, click in channel, click and share. Okay, I'll show you how to play my dog. His name is Kitto, but he always want to go down and we go to the beach. He wants to put the door like this and follow his butt. No. This is my minnies. I don't know their names because I forgot to read to the construction. Because this is Kitto. Kitto always want to be a baby. Okay, next. How to hug Kitto. This is how to hug Kitto like this.
Is it Kitto? Kitto? You show them Kitto.
Okay.
Kitto? Do you love Edward, Kitto?
Okay, next.
And you're eating while you're holding Kitto?
Yeah.
Mm.
Look at my...
Kitto has a diaper, so he will not be on the floor.
Yeah, everywhere.
Yeah.
I'll just use the fork. And then this is my minnies. They want to have a party. Yeah. You don't always put my food because because he's a dog. Get up. Where's it?
You eat one siomai?
Okay.
So big.
And this is the minnies. So I'll show you how to crush them like this one.
Kitto's breathing is so loud. So how many siomai do you have?
19.
No, you count.
It's 19.
Mommy count it. I love you so much.
I love you so much.
You say Kitto, I love you so much, Kitto.
I love you so much, Kitto. And then this is my minnies.
Oh, Kitto is super cute. And his face is like a bear.
I think so. Kitto wants to go
You
down.
show them Gru. Where's Gru?
It's here.
You show. Wow, super cute Gru.
No.
Oh, Kitto wants to go down na.
Go now. Okay. And then I will crush them. I'll show you how
Put
to
down
do.
your feet, baby.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, I'll just show you how to start and how to crush them.
Oh, it's okay na.
Okay. Okay, I'll show you how.
We will eat na, Mommy will eat na.
Okay, wait lang.
I'm hungry na eh.
Okay. They're endangered because they will get crushed. They get crushed. Matay na.
Dead na.
They're on RIP.
Put your feet down, baby.
They're on heaven.
Oh, they're in heaven na. Okay, they're happy na kasi they're in heaven na.
Yeah, because they will
Okay, say bye to your friends now.
because they opened the lock.
And they are eating breakfast also at the
Yeah.
same time,
Yeah.
like you're eating. So, have a good breakfast, friends.
Bye bye, friends.
Okay, see you next
I'll show
time.
you my bag. Look, this is my
Minions bag.
minnies bag. And I broke the zipper because I broke them. Okay, bye bye, friends.
Okay.